Communication with the Ultimate Reality or God, Part 1. From my point of view, God may be considered to represent the ultimate reality manifesting as the universe and includes us human beings. One of the attributes of God is pure love as demonstrated by Jesus Christ and all other spiritual masters. There is a difference between pure love and love as commonly understood. Pure love is unconditional, that is, it needs, expects, requires, and demands nothing in return. God, therefore needs, expects, and demands nothing from us to shower love and other goodness on us just as the sun shines and the rain falls on all on earth. The question many of us ask, therefore, is why many human beings and the whole world in general is in such a mess if God is showering us with His infinite love and goodness. The answer is, many of us see ourselves as separate beings and are not receptive to the wisdom and guidance of the ultimate reality, God. Like any good communicator, God is continually communicating with us in multiple ways. In order to start being receptive and hear God, I will enumerate the top 4 fundamental ways God communicates with us humans. First, I would like to state that God does not communicate with us through only His Word, such as in the Bible, as commonly perceived. Many will be surprised to hear that the Word of God, handed down through messengers and prophets, is the least reliable as it is prone to misrepresentation. In general, a communication is from God if it is loving, creative, compassionate, forgiving, and is an expression of grand truths. In hierarchical order therefore, God communicates with us through the following 4 fundamental ways: 1. Thoughts, 2. Feelings, 3. Experiences, and 4. Words. Thoughts are the highest and most reliable way God communicates with us because it is direct and one-on-one and least prone to misinterpretation. These thoughts come in the form, for instance, of inspiration, revelation, or the still inner voice when you are very still and present mentally and physically. Spiritual teachers and prophets have learned to be receptive to God's revelations by being present and still. As God said, "Be still, and know that, I am the Lord." All human beings without exception can receive similar inspirational thoughts if they can allocate time to distance themselves from the distractions of worldly pursuits and become receptive to God's revelations. This brings us to the end of part 1 of this video series. In the coming video, part 2, we will continue to enumerate on the remaining 3 ways in which God communicates with us humans.